I'm criminal defense attorney Ryan Pasiga at ArrestedMN.com, and I'm going to talk about constructive possession. Most, if not all, states have the law of constructive possession, as do the federal courts. And what that means is that if you're charged with possessing something illegal, whether that's drugs or a firearm or anything else, they can charge you not only with actually possessing something, which means like having it in your pocket or in your coat pocket or in your hand or something like that, but also constructively possessing something. And constructive possession, as it goes to the law in Minnesota, kind of comes in two basic forms. One is that you possess something in an area where most other people or nobody else has routine access to. So that could be if I have it in a safe at my home or in the glove box of my car, or if it's a woman, she might have it in her purse or something like that. That is constructive possession, because under the law, they wouldn't have the actual language here that we use, is where other people did not normally have access. The other way that you can constructively possess something in Minnesota is if it's found to be in a place where others did have access, but you knowingly exercise dominion or control over whatever it is, whether it's the gun or the drugs or whatever. So for example, let's say we're at a living room table here and my lovely assistant here, and I've got, this is a firearm that I'm not supposed to possess. If I'm constructively possessing that, if it's between the two of us where we both have access and control to it, but I'm exercising dominion and control over it, then I am constructively possessing it. For example, if she goes to reach for my gun here and I say, no, that's mine, that's me constructively possessing the firearm, even though it's not right in front of me and even though it's not in my pocket or on my person. On the other hand, if she, before I come into the room, if she puts this firearm underneath my chair and I don't know it's there, and I walk into the room and I sit down, and now police come in and they find the firearm and they say, whoa, you're constructively possessing it. You'd have a defense because I do not know that it's there and I am not doing what's called exercising dominion and control over it. Similarly, if she has the firearm right now and it's in front of her and she's possessing it, and police come in, they may say, aha, you, Ryan, are constructively possessing this firearm. But if I am not exercising dominion and control over it and using it or doing something to indicate that I'm the one that has control over this, either with her or by myself, then I am not constructively possessing the firearm. So this is a defense that lawyers need to be aware of, and you need to be aware of as a defendant if you are accused of possessing anything illegal, whether that's a firearm or drugs or anything else that's illegal to possess. If you have other questions about possession crimes, even serious possession crimes, give me a call. I'm attorney Ryan Pasiga. You can find me at ArrestedMinnesota.com or at 612-339-5844.